But I'm making progress, but I fear I'm getting dangerously close to the outside tolerance of my bore here. When I initially took this jug off, I didn't see any pitting. Well, duh, dummy me. I didn't think to clean it out first because the junk fills the pits. So you can see in there the distinct line where the piston was stuck. Now this is after I have been doing some honing. I've got more honing to do because now I know it looks terrible, but that's only about 1/1000th deep. And I also know that that cylinder is oval inside. I did a cheesy measurement with my dial calipers, and it's off about 5/1000ths total. My bore diameter here is about 3" 10/1000ths. The piston is right at 3 inches. So, you know, the rings are going to have to make up the difference. And if I hone this much more, I'm afraid I'm going to take it beyond what it can do. It may wind up pumping oil instead of air. We'll see what happens. Anyway, tomorrow I've got to run to Tucson to Gopher Bearing. That's right, gopher as in the animal. My bearings have arrived for the crankshaft. So we're going to run into Tucson tomorrow. Nancy wants to turn it into a Christmas shopping trip for grandkids. So pray for me. It's going to be an expensive day. Yeah, so I'll bring you back most likely tomorrow or day after tomorrow as I continue on with the honing. And also I've got to clean that crankcase. It's all been degreased, washed, hosed out. I actually got a little flash rust on it because I cleaned it with Super Clean. Not sponsored, just what I use. And then hosed it out and set it in the sun, and she still flash rusted a little bit. So I'm going to take the wire wheel to it, and then I'll wipe it down real good with the mineral spirits, and then get some paint on it. Yeah. Okay. So that's where I'm at so far. I'll bring you back in a day or two and give you more progress. Oh, and hey, you know, I mentioned here shortly, just a little while ago, that my channel seemed to have stalled as far as subscribers go. And so I thought, well, maybe I've reached the limit of the interest in what I do. But then lo and behold, some new subscribers showed up. So I just want to say welcome. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoy what I'm doing here. It's always something different. And of course, to my ever-present existing subscribers, thanks for sticking around. You guys, gals, you know, I always enjoy bantering with you in the comments, both on my videos and on your channels as well. So it's all about having fun, having a good time, and seeing if we can resurrect some rusty junk and do interesting stuff with scrap. So I'm going to cut it off here and bring you back in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.